and welcome back to Robinhood Coins. For today's video, we are going to search through 6 boxes of half dollars. We are coming off a live stream where we ended up finding 11 90%ers. So hopefully we find some more silver in these boxes right here. Hopefully the Christmas silver has started. As always, we'll be giving away something we find from the hunt. And all you have to do to enter the giveaway is just comment on this video and then be sure to watch our next video where we'll pick the winner of today's giveaway. And at the end of this video, we're going to pick the winner for our giveaway on our last video. We're going to be searching for silver, proofs, errors, varieties, anything to add to our collection. So let's kick it off with one of the yellow Loomis boxes. Well, unfortunately, we didn't have any silver enders, but here is box number 1 laid out and ready to go. And we're going to crack into this box and hopefully let's find some silver. And look at that. We have an NIFC and it was an ender. It's a nice looking 2005 Philly. And we had another, oh, look at that, 1998. That is a pretty nice one. I might see if that upgrades my album. And it looks like we have silver on roll 46. And it looks like we have a 40%er. Where was that 40%er on our last live stream when we needed a 40? And a miscellaneous. That is good stuff. We have silver in box number 1. Well, any box that you find silver is a good box, and we did find silver. 1967 right there. A little bit dirty, but you know what? I'll take silver any day. And we have a 2005 Philadelphia. Pretty nice shape. NIFC. And then we had that really nice 1998 Philadelphia. That one's a beauty. So we'll set that one aside as well. Now it's time to crack into box number 2, more of the yellow Loomis rolls. Let's hope that we get more silver. We're working on roll number 26, and we finally have our first find of box number 2. It's a 2002 Philadelphia, and you can see it has a little bit of coin roller damage, but we will still take it. It is an NIFC, so we're going to keep on cracking and look for some more silver. We are all done with box number 2, and all it netted us is this 2002 Philadelphia with a little bit of roller crimper damage. And we're going to move on to box number 3. So we have box number 3 laid out and ready to go. I think there's a slim chance that that's a 40%er. I really don't think it is. I think it's just dirty, but there is a slim chance. It has that little greenish tinge to it. So we're going to open that one first. Let's get in here and find us some silver.
Ooh.
What'd you find?
I found a proof.
Nice! We have a 1982 San Francisco proof. That is good stuff. Good job, honey.
Thanks.
All right, so box number 3 was not a bad box. I mean, we didn't get any silver, but we did get a proof. And we are definitely not getting proofs very often, or at least as often as we used to these days. So it's nice to get that proof. And we also had an NIFC, and Maid Marian found both of these finds going through the clad. Thank you, Maid Marian.
You are welcome.
And now we're going to crack in a box number 4 right here. Again, no silver enders. Hopefully we have some silver on the inside. Unfortunately, box number 4 didn't have even a single NIFC. Absolutely nothing. But the good news is we have another box right here. It doesn't look like we have any silver enders. We have this one right here that looks like the last one. The last box almost looks like a silver ender, but probably not. Maybe just dirty. But let's get in here and find out. And look at that, we have a 2019. I do not have very many 2019s. Let's see what else we're gonna get. And this time we have a 2004, Could tell it from the edge, it was so nice. Look at that. No silver, but that is a nice looking 2004 Philadelphia as well. Don't get the Phillies as often. So we are all done with box number 5, and that netted us a 2004 Philadelphia and a 2019 Denver, 2 NIFCs. But the good news is we have box number 6 laid out and ready to go right here. So hopefully we can get some more silver. We are working on roll number 2, and I bring you in because we have something under the scope. So right here, we have a 1974 Denver, and it's a DDO. As you can see right there, we have the splitting in the bottom of the serif right there of the 4. And then it is pretty worn, but this one right here is really easy to see. That splitting in the U, then you can see the splitting right there. You can see doubling on that part of the S and down here. And then another tell is this bar of the R right here. So even though it has a lot of damage, I am pretty confident that is a 1974 Denver DDO. This is roll number 4, and it looks like, oh, that's not a proof. That is a 2019 Philadelphia in beautiful condition. So we will run through the rest of those in a second. But look at that. That is a nice one. It's probably one of the better 2019s that I have found. Oh, and it looks like we got some interesting ones here. And it is, I thought that might be a proof. We have a 1994 San Francisco proof, and it looks nice. That could potentially upgrade our album. If not, it'll for sure do good in one of the girls' albums. Let's see the other one. That's just a shiny 1981. But we might as well just go through these. And we got 2 2002s. Check those out. That's nice. Add the more NIFCs to the pile. Let's see if this is a DDO, but it's not. And another NIFC, 2005. And look at that. We have silver on roll number 35. It looks like we are going to get a 40%er right there. It's a 1969, so it is. We have silver. Let's check that out. 1969. Very good. Man, we've had a lot of NIFCs, 2 proofs in this box. This is good stuff. We finished up with box number 6, and that gave us a bunch of new finds to add to the collection. Here's the overall wrap-up. We ended up with a total of 2 silver across all 6 boxes. We had the 1967 and then the 1969 Denver right there. That was nice. And then we ended up finding a total of 3 proofs. We had the 1981. That one was nice. A little bit worn and beat up, but we'll still take it. A 1982 proof, San Francisco Mint. And then the nicer of the 3 is this 1994 San Francisco proof right there. Pretty nice condition for being in circulation. We did find the DDO. It's a 1974 Denver. Pretty slick and worn, but you can still tell that it is for sure one of those DDOs. And then we had a total of 19 NIFCs, and we had some really nice ones. We had that really nice 2019, had a nice, I think this one is a pretty nice 2005 Philadelphia. So we had a couple really nice ones to add to the collection. But overall, 6-box hunt, that was a pretty good hunt. Alright, so now it's time to go ahead and pick the winner for the giveaway that we did on our last video, which was our quarter hunt video, and we are giving away a Tallgrass Prairie West Point that we found during that hunt. I've already put the URL right up here, and I've selected filter duplicate users, so let's get the number of unique commenters, and it's a total of 91 unique commenters. Probably the best odds we've had on this channel for a giveaway in a while. So let's go ahead and let's see who's going to win that Tallgrass Prairie West Point. Native Warrior, Grapevines. I would love to win one of those W's. Well, congratulations. You did win one of those W's. Email me at robinhoodcoins@yahoo.com to claim your prize. And let's see what we're giving away today. Well, the Robinhood Coins giveaway for today's video is going to be an 80%er. It's the 1967 and the 1969 Denver that we found during the hunt. We'll be giving this away. As always, to enter the giveaway, just comment on this video and then be sure to watch our next video where we're going to pick the winner. Well, I hope you enjoyed this video as much as we enjoyed the hunt. It was a lot of fun. If so, please smash that like button. If you enjoy our content, please subscribe. And don't forget to ring that notification bell so you don't miss any videos or giveaways. And we will see you on the next hunt.